Hello and welcome back to another Wise Weight Management video. Our website provides you with some of the best advice on how you can lose weight, and since you've already clicked on this video, we know that you're curious and willing to try something new. Once you have completed the video, please feel free to click the subscribe button to view more of the content we have to offer. Now let's get started. If ever there was proof that diet paradise exists, the Mediterranean diet would be it. Branded as a diet, but really more of a lifestyle, the Mediterranean diet is based on typical foods and recipes from countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. In addition to the exotic diet, the Mediterranean actually recommends having a glass of wine with your meals. Before you rush to pour a whole barrel of Sauvignon Blanc down your throat, you should take note that only a moderate amount of wine is recommended. The best part of the diet is that you don't need to count calories or track macronutrients, so you can toss your calculators in the trash. What is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is an eating plan that focuses on the health of the heart. By incorporating fruits, vegetables, fish, and whole grains, and limiting saturated fats and hydrogenated oils, the Mediterranean diet reduces the risk of heart disease and reduces the occurrence of several other diseases such as heart attacks, strokes, and type 2 diabetes. What should I eat on the Mediterranean diet? Plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts are highly recommended as key components of the Mediterranean diet. A low-salt diet makes up a major part of the overall Mediterranean diet, and in place of salt, herbs and spices are recommended alternatives to flavor foods. Red meat is limited to a few times a month, while fish and poultry take forefront in the meat portion of the meal at least twice a week. You can wash down your meal with coffee, tea, water, and even a modest glass of red wine, which means no more than 1 glass of wine daily for women and a maximum of 2 glasses daily for men under the age of 65. Benefits of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet has been associated with a lowering in the risk of heart disease, cardiovascular mortality, and overall mortality. In addition, research has also shown that the diet is associated with a reduced incidence of cancer, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's. Some data suggests that the Mediterranean diet can also be supportive in relieving symptoms of arthritis. So if you want to reduce the chances of getting these diseases, why not try the Mediterranean diet? It will definitely make you feel better. Does the Mediterranean diet help with weight loss? While following the Mediterranean diet, you'll lose a modest amount of weight over a year, but combining this with exercise will help you keep the weight off. Incorporating a calorie deficit in your diet will also help you shed some pounds. Risks associated with following the Mediterranean diet. Since the diet incorporates servings of all the necessary food groups for a balanced diet, there are very few risks to following it. Anyone looking to follow the diet should consider incorporating exercise in order to enjoy the full benefits of the Mediterranean diet. How easy is it to follow the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is fairly easy to follow since it doesn't require elimination of whole food groups. It can be a little tricky since the diet doesn't state exact serving amounts per day and uses generic terms such as low to moderate intake, abundance, and often. This may be confusing for some people who would prefer exact amounts, but it's easy to follow. By sticking to servings that are enough to leave you sated, that means full, you will be able to follow the Mediterranean diet easily. The various recipes available for the Mediterranean diet make it easy to adapt to, and you can save time by cooking meals ahead of time and storing them for the week. How much does the Mediterranean diet cost? The cost of the diet depends on how you shape it. Some ingredients that make up a key part of the Mediterranean diet, such as olive oil, fish, and fresh produce, can be expensive, but you can manage by taking advantage of sales and picking affordable options such as a more affordable brand of olive oil over another. Your health and well-being are worth the cost. Thanks for watching our video, and we hope you gained some valuable insight about this diet. Interested to find out some more information on how to lose weight? Visit our Wise Weight Management website in the description below and learn how to succeed in your weight loss journey.